Kaliskes trip with Lolly and friends in Calasiao. Welcome to Calasiao, Pangasinan. Of course, we brought our travel buddy, Lolly, my DFSK Candy Mini EV, fully charged and ready for a food trip with the Barkada. Today's mission, tikman ang isa sa mga underrated street food legends ng Pangasinan, ang Kaliskes. Kasama ko ngayon ng tropa, all hungry, all curious, and totally ready for Anli Sabaw at laman loob realness. Here in Calasiao, di lang puto ang bida. Kaliskes is a local delicacy, isang mainit at malinamnam na sabaw na may beef innards, balat, utak, at kung minsan konting bone marrow. Medyo wild pakinggan, di ba? Pero trust the process. Pag-serve pa lang ng bowl, sabaw pa lang panalo na. And yes, Anli refill mga kababayan. First sip and boom, comfort food unlock. Parang bulalo na mas funky at mas flavorful. Bagay na bagay sa malamig na biyahe, lalo kung sakay ka ni Lolly. Narinig ko pa nga yung mga tropa ko na sarap sila sa food at ibang klase raw. So sila ay nag-extra rice pa nga. Totoo nga pala, minsan all you need is good food, good friends at good ride para sa isang sulit na araw. After all, sabaw, tawa at kwento ay it's time to head back. Salamat Lolly sa smooth, tahimik at tipid na biyahe. From zero to full kaming lahat, busog at charge. If you're in Calasiao, don't miss the Kaliskes Pangasinan flavor at its finest. Till the next ride with Lolly and crew, Kaliskes is life, Lolly is love. Thanks for watching mga ka-mini EV. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more food trips with Lolly and friends. See you on the next adventure.